stringing out autumn. The roots of resistance run deeper than time. The courage of children is an endless season. Red are the stones in Palestine.
I can categorically state that, contrary to the rumours circulating, there is absolutely no sign whatsoever of Israeli war crimes. Gaza tower tunnels, yes. Hezbollah rockets, of course. Iranian clerics, as per usual. But Israeli genocide? No way! As the saying goes, Jose.
I'm going to do that again now, but with demos. Give me a cheer if you've been to demos in the past year. That's what we want to hear.
And I will remind you all that your voices are heard in Gaza. They appreciate this and they say continue. Please, please continue, because you are here as well as our artists in Gaza are singing and dancing on the rubble. Thank you.
We can't always agree on everything. I mean, it's a complicated issue. So who's to say who's right?
But this isn't political. How can none of you see that? There's a dead kid on the dinner table. A dead kid!
The county of Oxfordshire is to be given over to the Methodists because that is where Charles Wesley founded Methodism.
Anyone who resists the creation of a Methodist homeland should be treated like a terrorist, along with their families and their neighbours.
Any amount of force necessary to maintain the Methodist state is fully justified, even if it means it must remain in a permanent state of war. If you disagree, you are evil and on the side of terrorists.
And anyone who disagrees should lose their job and or be kicked out of the Labour Party.
انظر لحالي مايل هي ربي لقاهايل انت اللي بتحيي وتميت وانت اللي بتحيي المقشوع قلبي على فرقة مشلوح قلبي على فرقة مشلوح قلبي على فرقة مشلوح مشلوح يا ريما لغزلان يلي عالسفر ناويه يا ريما لغزلان يلي عالسفر ناويه يا ريما لغزلان يلي عالسفر ناويه
then I'm crying, and then I'm all over the place. So now it's going to be a little more light-hearted. We're all going to sing with me. But this is not about football. This song is for solidarity, for the people of Liverpool to stand together with the people of Palestine.
دمعة من عيني هواد وانا على فرقة بكي